I knew it. There you are, Miss Coobert. I was just saying, like, damn, right now, they were just, the little sparrows were just there fighting. And at first, the sparrows were getting, I'm like, well, get your fill before Miss Coobert comes in. Because once she comes, you guys are done. So the little birds, they were all there fighting. I'm like, oh my God, it's too freaking early. And my friend said something to me, I'm like, yeah, it is too damn early to be feeding the birds right now because they just fighting. It's too early to be yelling and fighting so early in the morning. It's like freaking 5 something, 6. Oh, look at all those numbers. Patents? Interesting. Copperhead. Are you Copperhead? Hi. I knew it. I was like, you better get your fill before Coobert comes. I think I love watching Coobert eat the most. Oh, Chocolate! What's up? Oh, was that Chocolate? That was too quick. I think that was Chocolate. Chocolate is black and white. I was thinking about Chocolate earlier. When I woke up, I had a dream about the damn, not dreaming. When I wake up, sometimes when I wake up, visions come in my mind before I open my eyes. And the damn roach came crawling into view. I'm like, oh, hell no. I don't know. I remember when I had the roaches, I was staying at my mom's house. But then I had to leave because my brother was complaining I was being too loud in the morning because I was always yelling in the morning. Well, I had a little kid. I had to get up for school. And I don't know. What else? What other reasons? Because I was working harder than I had to. Something like that. That's what I was saying. Like, I feel guilty because when I went away from my mom, it was to focus on my health because I was overweight. I was in the hospital. I thought I had a heart attack. All that. And then now I noticed my brothers, they were both skinny and da-da-da back then. Only 3 years that they took care of my mother without me. And I'm healthy. My health is clean as a whistle. I'm skinny, da-da-da. They're both overweight. They both have, well, I don't know. One of them is having health issues, like had a heart attack. Like, I don't know. I was like, the universe has a messed up sense of humor, huh? Like, because I was asking about the funeral services, and my daughter's like, it's probably not till the 7th or 8th, but Tito told the funeral home it can't be on the 9th. I'm like, oh, wow. That would be the universe's messed up way, Like, for me to have to bury my mom on my birthday, I think that would have been actually a pretty joke. At this point, it's like, the universe is just as funny. I mean, I already said my ancestor spirit guide, they funny as fudge. They is really funny. So crazy. I keep hearing, I heard the blue jay earlier, but I didn't see, like, he or she always comes in real quick. She'll probably be back for dinner time. Yeah, they like to come early in the morning, and then I won't see them for a while, like all day. Then they'll come in the evening.